Hello from Universal. We're here to have a cozy Christmas day. We're gonna get hot butterbeer. We're gonna check out the Red and Green Coconut Club, and that's basically the plan. I also don't know how we do this every single time, but Islands closes in an hour again. We've come on another day where they're closing early again. It's a skill. Last time it was for Orlando Informer. She really just checked the hours, but you know, we're not responsible here. We just come as we please and expect things to be open. The Who's are out.
Oh, hi there! Happy holidays!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Oh my goodness!
How are you guys?
Wonderful. How are you?
Good. Are you guys cold?
It's
Well, it's a little chilly here on the snowflake today. That's true.
we
What
do
is-
like the cold weather.
That's true.
Yeah. What do you guys drink outside when it's really cold?
Oh, you know what I drink.
I know. We do love eggnog.
Eggnog
It is a great time.
This missile makes a mean
Oh,
eggnog.
you! Now he's gonna make me blush. Oh, goodness gracious. This guy, he's
It
too
is
nice.
exquisite. I'm
Oh,
telling you.
goodness
Some of the
gracious.
best in Whoville I've ever had.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Oh, and also the turkey. Very, very good.
True.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Well,
Yeah.
the great feast of Christmas is just the best part, you know?
Yeah.
We got the roast beast, we got the hoo hash.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
People around here have been talking about tater tots. You can figure out what that is. Add it.
tater
So there you go.
They are great.
Better than hoo tots, I suppose.
Well, you're enjoying your time.
Thank
here
you.
on
It's
the
lovely
snow.
talking to you guys.
Oh, yeah. Lovely to speak to you guys. Have a great rest of your day on
Have
the
a good
snow
night.
day.
Thank you.
Merry
Happy
Christmas and a Happy New
holidays.
Year. There you go.
They're out and about, and there's more. Yup. What I was gonna say before I was wonderfully interrupted by the Who's was that Velocicoaster's only a 50-minute wait, and Hagrid's is only 60 minutes, which isn't even that bad. And I'm wondering if it's partly because the park is closing early, and I think everyone is starting to head out of the park. But this is great. I think Shanique is gonna grab the hot chocolate bomb because she's not a huge fan of butterbeer here in Seussland. So. No, Whoville. So I will show you that in a second. I got it last year and it was really good. Here is the hot cocoa bomb, the hot chocolate with the hot cocoa bomb. If you just want the cocoa bomb itself, it's $7, but if you want it with the hot chocolate, it's $10. So in my opinion, if you're okay with getting the hot chocolate here, I would just get the hot chocolate and the cocoa bomb at the same time. Should we have gotten something to stir it with? Oh!
Ooh, that was fun.
Fun!
Oh, I should not have put that down. Oh well.
It's hot.
That's hot. Very delicious though.
Is it creamy?
It's pretty creamy and it's really sweet.
That sounds amazing.
Want to try it?
Is it really hot? I'll try it when it cools down. Okay. It's always pretty here with the sunset. I say that every time, but it's so pretty. The sky is so pretty. Alright, we got some seating here outdoors. As you can see, there's basically no one out here, and the weather's so nice. Why wouldn't we sit out here with some hot butterbeer? It sounds beautiful. So we're gonna order right now from the scanning thing at the table. So oddly enough, I had to go and order, and then I had to make sure I said, hey, I'm ordering for a table, because they just assumed I was just taking hot butterbeer to take out, because I don't think you can get hot butterbeer at the stands. You have to come here. Here is the spread: fish and chips, chicken tendies, and then hot butterbeer. Let's try this hot butterbeer. It's definitely really hot. It's so good though, because the whole drink just tastes like the top of butterbeer, which if you like the foam and the top part of the butterbeer, the whole drink tastes like that. And I love it. Gonna hand Sammy. Just putting that in there. Tastes like a brown sugar.
Taste.
Smells.
Can in your mouth if you get cracks?
Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna try Shanique's hot chocolate now. Oh, that's actually so good. That's so chocolatey.
So solid.
What the heck? I was expecting it to be super like watered down and stuff, but it's not. It's actually really good.
Mercy did not come to play.
No. We're gonna try the French fries with the tartar sauce. That's good. I like their fish and chips here, honestly. They're low-key fire. We're gonna sit here, chit chat, enjoy a cozy little evening, and then we're gonna head over and get drinks. All right, we are now heading over to the Red and Green Coconut Club. All right, here we go up, right over there. Here we are. It's actually the Green and Red Coconut Club, so my bad. There's copyrighted music, so we're gonna do some B-roll now.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
We're gonna head back inside and grab a little drinky drink. Here's the drink. I got mine without ginger ale because I'm allergic to it, so they put Sprite in it instead. But it's basically a margarita. Let's give her a little taste test. Ooh. That's very strong.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm so glad I ate. That's really strong. All I taste is tequila, I'm not gonna lie. I just ran into Steve.
Alright.
All right, and that was our evening, our cozy little evening. We burnt our tongues, we had fun fried food, and we had a little drinky drink and a great time with Christmas vibes. Honestly, this was a great evening, and it's not even super late that we're leaving, so you can go home and read our book or do something fun. This was a great night, and also the temperature is amazing right now. It's beautiful, it's cold, so vibey. So this was so much fun. Stay tuned, and I'm so happy that you guys are bearing with me for Vlogmas. We're doing it, editing every single day. Real time, baby. So see you guys in the next Vlogmas video tomorrow. I love you guys. Have a wonderful week and a magical month, and I'll see you on the next one.